This is acid-base titration, and in acid-base titration we use dilute form of acid and dilute form of base, and these are the materials needed for acid-base titration. Now the first thing to do normally is to pipette your base using the pipette. You get the 25 cm cube of base, and that's what is being done here. Get the known value of base, which is 25 cm cube, and it has been placed in a conical flask. And after that, we'll get indicator. You just need 2 drops of indicator, just few drops. Sometimes we can use 1 drop in some titrations, 2 drops are in fact in some 3 drops of indicators are used. And in this titration, a methyl orange indicator is used, and you can see the color change after the methyl orange indicator has been added to the base. And this base here is potassium hydroxide. Now we are supposed to place our acid in the burette first, but nevertheless we'll still do it after the base has been set up. Now I'm adding the acid into the burette on the setup of the conical of the retort stand with clamp. This is a retort stand with the setup of the burette, and everything has been set for titration. The acid is being added to the burette gradually, and we'll make sure that there is no leaking on the burette to avoid inaccuracy in the result. And we'll also make sure that the labels on the burette is showing clearly to make sure we are using the known value of acid that is required for this titration. Now we are adding the acid, and the acid used here is tetroxysulfate 6 acid, and is being titrated with potassium hydroxide as the base, and the indicator here is methyl orange indicator. Now make sure we look at it, check the values, we check the numbers to make sure that the acid added on the burette is on 50 cm, that's a 50 ml there. Check the numbers properly to ensure accuracy to get to the right figure, since a known volume of acid and base is used to calculate or to find the unknown value. Now this is the setup of the base with the indicator. Now we'll make sure we keep it under our setup of the burette. Be adding the acid slowly as everything is being shaken. You shake the bottle slowly as the acid is being added, and the end result is gotten the titration as the end result, which shows a pink color. Potassium hydroxide being titrated with tetroxysulfate 6 acid using a methyl orange indicator, and this is the end result. Now make sure we repeat this process for 2 to 3 times. This is the rough one. Make sure we do the first, the second, the third, and get the average theta value. Subscribe button, and make sure you click that subscribe button.